In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Descript and Loom for your video workflow. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to Descript.com and Loom.com so you can evaluate both platforms side by side. This is a simple but helpful way to compare what each tool is designed to do. Even though both involve video, they serve very different purposes, and understanding that difference will help you make the right choice much faster. As you look at Descript, think of it as a more complete content production tool. Descript is the better option if you need full-scale video editing and want more control over the final result. It's especially useful for people creating polished content, such as videos for YouTube, courses, interviews, tutorials, or podcasts. One of its standout strengths is script-based editing, which means you can edit your video almost like you're editing a text document. That can make the process feel much more intuitive, especially if you work heavily with spoken content. Descript is also a strong fit for podcast production and precise content polish. So if your workflow includes trimming filler words, refining dialogue, adjusting structure, and shaping a piece of content into something more professional, this is likely the better choice. In other words, Descript is built for creators and editors who care about the details and want a more robust editing environment. Now compare that with Loom. Loom is the better choice if your main goal is speed and simplicity. If you need fast screen recording, quick asynchronous video messages, and instant link sharing with team members, Loom is designed exactly for that. Instead of focusing on heavy editing, Loom focuses on helping you communicate quickly. You can record your screen, explain something visually, and send it off right away without a complicated production process. This makes Loom especially useful in workplace settings where fast communication matters more than polished post-production. For example, it's ideal for walkthroughs, updates, feedback, internal demos, and quick explanations that would otherwise take too long to type out. If your priority is getting a message across clearly and efficiently, Loom is usually the faster and easier solution. So when it comes to determining the winner, the answer depends on your use case. Choose Descript if you're a content creator or editor who needs deeper editing, podcast tools, and more polished output. Choose Loom if you want fast workplace communication through simple screen recordings and quick video sharing. The best tool is the one that matches your workflow, so focus less on which platform is more powerful overall and more on which one solves your specific problem better.